Hello, Clay County. John Ward, Director of Emergency Management in the county. Today we wanted to do this Tuesday evening brief on what is Hurricane Elsa. Again, I want you to pay close attention as we go in through the evening. Right now, it's slowed down a little bit. The storm's starting to develop a little bit better, and our significant impacts are now going to be on Wednesday from probably about 7 a.m. to probably 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon. We will get some banding come through this evening. Again, as we said, we're very saturated, so we're going to be dropping trees and we're going to have potential power outages. So as you're getting out in the morning, tomorrow through the day, please be very cautious when you're getting around these down trees. They may have power lines wrapped in them. Now is the time to get prepared though, folks. We want to take these last few hours that we have, get your family disaster plan, your family disaster kit in order, and be prepared. We're going to be having power outages. We're going to have widespread power outages around the county, and we're going to have widespread trees down. Now's the time to charge your phone. Now's the time to charge your little kids' devices, that type thing. So when you're out of power, you've got an opportunity to keep them occupied. One thing I want you to do is pay close attention to our social media, or go to alert.claycountygov.com for any last minute preparedness information. We do have a call center open. That call center number is 877-252-9362. As we go through the night or Wednesday during the day and you see trees down or you have any damage reports, please call in so we can report accordingly. Again, Clay County, please take this time to prepare, and let's be very careful. Thank you, Clay County.